Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching. I hope you're all doing well. I just wanted to recreate this look inspired by St. Patrick's Day. If you want to know how I got this look, just keep on watching. So I thought I was filming this, but I clearly wasn't. So what I was just doing there was I was using the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, and it's the neutrals versus neutrals eyeshadow palette, and I just went in with this colour here and I was just working that into the crease. And then just keep building that colour up until you have your desired colour. And then just working that up. So whenever I'm trying to blend out a crease colour, I like to go back and forth and make windshield wiper motions and very lightly just blending it out as well. So whenever I have that done, I'm taking a sleek eyeshadow palette and this colour here. And I'm just putting that all over my lid, just packing on as much as possible. So whenever I have the whole lid colour applied, I'm just going to take a wee bit more of my brush and just focus it at the lower part of my crease. Just lightly blending those edges out. I'm going back in with this brush again. This is the Collection Clear Brow Mascara. This is what I use to apply my glitters instead of an eyelash glue or an actual glue adhesive. It just works the same way, to be honest. There's no difference. And I've just put that in the back of my hand. And then I'm just going to apply this to where I'm wanting the glitter to be placed. And I'm not going on too thick with the clear mascara because I kind of want it to be quite taggy for the glitter to actually stick to it. And I just tap off that excess glitter. Then whenever that glitter is on, I'm just going to go and do the bottom lash line, and I'm just going to do exactly what I've done on the top of the eye and the bottom of the eye. I'm just going to go in with this colour here. And I like my bottom lash line to be quite smokey, so I'm going to drag that out quite a bit. And then I'm going in with this colour again. And then I'm just going to take my blender brush and just blend that all out. It actually blends out looking black. Okay, it looks black in camera, but it doesn't in person. Whatever. And then I wanted it to be a wee bit more extra, so I decided to apply this glitter to my inner corner. It's like a holographic green. And the lashes I'm going to be using today are the Origami lashes. And this is what they look like here. Can't really see them. Barely. This company was quite nice to actually reach out to me. And they have given me a discount code for any of my following, so I'll have that discount code down below. And it's 20% off their entire website. So in my waterline I'm going to use MAC Smolder eyeliner. It's better than that Too Faced one anyway. Might as well just do my lips while eyelashes drying. I'm going to use my tiny MAC Spice lip liner. And then I'm going to use Colourpop's, this is their Ultra Matte liquid lipstick in Ice. I've never used this before, so should be nice to see what they're like. Ooh. Are they supposed to be this watery? I don't know, it's a bit too pink. I'm just going to put a lip gloss on top of that. First one I seen, just this wee one. This is actually from Makeup Revolution. That's better. There you go. And whenever I'm putting false lashes on, what I always like to do without fail is I go in after, once they're placed where I want them, I go in and I coat my my real lashes to the false lashes, just so it all blends in more. I went on and I put a wee, just a wee, what do you call them things? Shamrock? Clover? Whatever. Just to make it more St. Patrick's Day inspired. So this is the finished look. I hope everybody enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!